Hey there, it's Friday. Sarah Cuoco here with Sarah Cuoco and Company. I am super excited to be here with everybody and locally this rainy, semi-cloudy, overcast, trying to figure out what it's going to do day here in the western slope of Colorado. So, I get asked frequently when I'm talking about these genetic health tests because they are based on a DNA test. And so people often say, so what do I got to do? Do I got to, go somewhere and donate blood? Do you do it? I'm like, no. No, I do not take blood. Me and needles have a very good understanding. I leave them alone. They leave me alone for the most part. So no, it's really a simple process to do your DNA test and get the genetic reports that are specific to several areas of our health delivered right to you electronically. So here's the deal. If you know me locally, you can also always reach out to me. I do have some on hand. This is a very simple envelope. Or you can use the link in my description, or excuse me, in the information included with this video. I believe it says enough fooling around, let's unzip those jeans, and it'll take you right straight to a link where you can order whichever you prefer. But I'm going to walk you through. I do have this one. Like I said, I have some on hand. This one is actually going to be my husband. So I'm going to cut it open because I don't like fighting with the tape that they seal these things with, because that is some serious adhesive. So what I'm going to do is show you what's in this. So you go to the link, you purchase your kit, it is sent to you. It usually just takes a couple of days to get there. When you get it, you'll get an envelope, and there will be, I don't know if you can see this in here, there's a little barcode up here, a sticker. Is what will ultimately attach the kit and reports to the person that registers it. And I say that because just because you bought it doesn't mean it's yours. You're welcome to purchase these and give them away as gifts if you'd like to, because what happens is once you receive it, you go to the website, you register your kit, and then the barcode becomes attached to you. And here's where that's important. The barcode on the envelope matches a barcode on the vials and on the shipping envelope and on the, oops, we got some stuff stuck together here. Got a label stuck. On the shipping label that you'll actually use to send your samples in. So the first thing you want, so the reason that's important is because I'm also asked, well, how they're going to know it's me. It's like, no, they don't. The lab that does the DNA test never knows your name. They don't know anything about you. All you are to them, you're a number. Seriously. The only way that this gets attached to you is with our company's proprietary software, which is also HIPAA compliant. We are HIPAA compliant. You do have to sign a HIPAA waiver when you do your test. So that's the only place your name ever gets attached to the barcode. And here's why that's important. Because when this information goes to the lab, when your samples go in there, they don't know anything about you. Truly, they know nothing about you. You are a sample. Actually, you're two samples. So the way this works, I am going to try to make this a little easier or quicker. So when you get your envelope, the first thing you want to do is take everything out, make sure you have everything. You should have an instruction sheet. You should have an inside mailing envelope, and you should have a external mailing envelope with a pre-addressed label on it. You should also have 2 vials with solution, which is where your samples are going to go. Both have the barcode on them. And you will have a couple of cheek swabs. Now, obviously, I'm not going to use these vials because they do belong to this test kit, and I don't want to mess it up. It's actually spoken for. I just wanted to use that for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to put all of that back in there. I do have extra swabs, so once you get all of it, you've identified that everything's there, you've registered it, it's now in your name, you've got your vials, you've got your swabs. It's so simple. This is such a simple process. So what you're going to do is you're going to tear apart your 2 swabs. You're going to open them at the end that allows you, because that's where the handle piece is. You don't want to touch the swab end. You don't want to do that. So you're going to open it. You're going to pull it out, again, not touching the swab end. And what you're going to do is take this and place it, you're going to put your hand on your cheek, okay? You're going to put this on your cheek. You don't want to rub it's not around your gums. You just want to get the inside of your cheek. So you do this for pressure so you can push against it. You're going to roll this around in your cheek, a dozen or so times, making sure to kind of twirl it while you do it. We want to cover the entire swab with the cells off the inside of your cheek, like this. As you can see, I'm going in a circle this way. I'm also twirling it. And that's how you do that. Now, I don't have a vial to use, so I'm just going to show you what it would happen. See that little dark mark on the swab? That's where it's going to break. So when you put it in the vial, it's on the edge there, you just snap it off. And then you put the lid back on, and you're done. And you repeat that with your second one. So, and I just put all that away, and I realized I need that. I need the envelopes really quick. So once you have both of your swabs done, you've did your left cheek, you do your right cheek, you've tightened the lids on the vials, you're going to place them in the inside envelope, which again just has the barcode. It's just to keep things from like getting lost. And then you place that envelope inside your mailing envelope, and you ship them off. Drop them in any mailbox. I take them right down to the post office. Especially in the summertime, you probably don't want to leave them in like a local pickup place if it's really hot if you live where it's really hot. I don't know that it would denigrate or like it would have an effect on your samples, but I don't like to take chances. So anyway, you put those in the mail. 2 to 3 weeks later, you're going to get an email that says your reports are ready. You go back to your account, you log in, you're going to see a screen that says DNA reports, and that's going to have your, it's going to have all of your reports in one place. And you have your code complex report. That's your overall report for all of the SNPs that are tested for, and these are in different areas. And here's the areas that are covered. We cover methylation, heart health, healthy inflammatory response, healthy immune response, a mood report. There's genetics involved there, folks. Healthy gut easy for me to say, right? Healthy gut microbiome report, healthy cognitive brain function report, a healthy BMI report, a detox report, and an energy report. So you're going to get all of those. So the code complex report is all the information, and then each of these other areas, the methylation, the heart health, the cognition, all of that are separate reports broken out, so you can see which genes, which genetic variants you inherited from your parents that affect those areas of your health. And they're broken down further in these other reports. I love these reports because they include so much useful information, not just your genetic information. They include the types of foods you should be focusing on to support wherever your genetic variants are, foods you should avoid, lifestyle information, a lot. And it'll tell you exactly which SNPs in your report apply to that area of health. So, and that's really it. And then the one other thing you're going to get is you're going to get what's called your customized formula. Now this is the next step if you want to take this one step further. So you've gotten your report, just like, okay, I know where my genetic weaknesses, my variants are, I know what things I should be kind of looking out for. If you would like to have a custom supplement based on those reports, so your genetic variants and the foods and nutrition that have been proven to support those genetic variants, that's where your your customized formula comes in. I've personally been doing this for, it was 4 years in January of this year, 23. So I've been doing it for over 4 years now. I absolutely love my custom supplement. I was not really big on supplements in the past. I was always kind of frustrated, disappointed, let down, didn't feel like I was getting any kind of benefit from it, which I will say we don't always see it because nutrition affects us at the cellular level. However, I will say I've had significant benefits, visible benefits, since I started this over 4 years ago. So for me, it's a no-brainer. I don't have to guess. I don't have to try to figure out what do I need, what should I take, what do I not have to take, what does Oprah say, what does Dr. Oz say. I don't care what they say because I know from my genetic report what I need, and based on the science of nutrition, what can support me in those areas. So that's it. You can order your custom supplement. I get mine every month. It comes direct to my door. It's made fresh every month. It's not a bunch of pre-made pills and capsules and stuff, gel caps or anything like that. It can either come in powder form, it's my choice, or I can have it put in capsules. Personally, I opt with capsules. And it's made fresh once a month, delivered to my door. I don't have to shop. I don't have to guess. I don't have to wonder. It's easy peasy. Anyway, thank you so much for a few minutes of your time. I appreciate you being here. Again, this is Sarah Kuoko. And if you have any questions, I did drop my bit.ly link. We can schedule a chat. We can get on an either phone call or a Zoom, however you want to do it. If you have any questions, I will also put a link. I believe the link is attached to this video. If you know you're ready and you just want to go ahead and order, you can certainly do that. Or if you'd like to message me, if you want to chat that way, if you're here local and you just want to purchase, you just want to come and grab the test kit, one of the test kits I have on hand. We can sit down, get you all registered and set up right away. No problem. I'll meet you for coffee and we'll take care of it in just a few minutes. So, however you like, let me know. I'm here to help and answer any questions.